Good morning everyone, the MMDA are back along here in Pasig. I just crossed the SM building. Most of the time you come past here, there's cars parked on the sidewalk. What they're doing is the sirens and the honking. If they come out in time, they can just take a ticket and move the vehicle. If they don't come out in time, it'll be towed away. So here come the tow trucks now. Nobody's come out to move their car so far. The MMDA have actually been here for about 10 minutes. The tow trucks were a little bit delayed. So they're going to start towing away vehicles now, and they're also impounding the motorcycles that were parked on the sidewalk. So here's the sign that says pay parking available on the second level, and you can see the tow trucks are gradually starting to pick up vehicles, whether it's a motorbike or a car, all along this sidewalk. It looks like at least one of the drivers arrived to take a ticket instead of being towed. But just behind that one, the tow trucks picked up a vehicle, and over here is another one that's about to go up. Over here they've stopped this bus. I'm guessing it's for disregarding traffic sign, because at the entrance of this area there's a big sign that says buses aren't allowed, so they'll probably issue a ticket for that now. And over here the enforcer wrote a ticket out for this one, so he can also move his car without being towed. And you can see slowly but surely the sidewalk is being cleared, and this flatbed's just getting into place now to pick up this one. So we're now back at the Estero and the cleaning continues. You can see aside from all the plastic bottles and general waste, there's also metal and wood that they removed from the water, I guess from the homes over here. You can see some of these guys are literally knee deep in the water. It's not very nice water, I can tell you that. But they are gradually making a difference here. You can see that the water's flowing much better. It probably helps that it's been raining also. But yeah, it looks like they've removed quite a lot of trash. As you're moving deeper, there's even more being collected over here. There's just so much trash, it's incredible. There's an umbrella there, I could get that from my camera. What they're doing is filling these sacks with trash and then making a human chain to pass them along. You can see some of the residents are also helping, they're getting involved. You have the PRRC, River Warrior, River Patrol. So PRRC's here, MMDA's here. I'm not sure of anyone from Manila local governments here. So the guys in blue are River Patrol, and these ones in orange are known as the River Warriors. You can see the sidewalk clearing team are also here helping to move the bags along, move the trash along. And here goes one truckload of trash now. You see the director of PRRC is also here coordinating. MMDA and PRRC of course have to work close together for these kind of things to be effective in the long run.
Ano sir, yun yung target na na-relocate na lahat? O
Hindi ho, yun yung target na completion ng Estero mismo, ng rehabilitation.
Pero sir, yung completion ng relocation, kailan yun sir?
Itong second quarter nitong taon na to.
Have you talked to the LGU, sir? Do they intend to impose stiffer penalties or sanctions dun sa mga magtatangkang bumalik? Kasi ang dami po dito na bumalik na rin kasi may mga bahay niya sa Norzaveray tsaka Pandi.
Opo, nakausap na ho namin si Mayor dito sa Manila. At inutusan na ho sa niya yung kanyang mga tauhan na bantayan ho yung magpagbalik. Kahit po kami, maglalagay din kami ng monitoring team.
It's part of our mandate, yung flood control ng Metro Manila. So, nandyan yung MMDA na naglilinis sa araw-araw. Hindi lang hindi lang porket nakita natin na madumi to kaya kami naglilinis. No. The problem is continuing, di ba? Sinasabi na nga vicious cycle eh. But it's our mandate to clean, so we will clean it.
So Pep, so what else do you have going on apart from this Estero Cleanup? Because of course you're doing a lot of work around the Metro, so
yes.
What else have you got going on?
Well, we were rehabilitating other esteros. Like we're starting to rehabilitate San Juan, Cabulusan, and the other esteros. Now we're finishing the social preparation for all these informal settlers to be relocated to Trece Martires.
Okay.
The mayor of Trece Martires already agreed to relocate the informal settlers to his, because without the receiving end to agree to relocate to his side, that will be very hard. But because of Mayor Sagun, he agreed, so it's easier for us now.
What can you do to stop them coming back?
Oh, we've already talked to the Manila LGU, and we have monitoring teams already.
Okay, that's
if they come back, that's forced evacuation already.
Oh, okay. So that's already in place.
Yes.
But these kind of cleanups, this is like a daily thing around the Metro?
Yes, this is a daily thing. Yeah, with MMDA.
So I saw earlier you were speaking to Bong, so there's close coordination between the MMDA and the PRRC.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.